Hey everyone, welcome to another Smarty Plans video. I'm Bea again to show you a 2021 digital planner. So I opened Goodnotes and this is the planner that I wanted to show you. It's the Simply Planner in a vertical version. It is dated for 2021 and it is a weekly planner. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the front cover of the planner that you can switch up with whatever you want. You can make a collage and make it look how you want. So here at the top, there is what I would call, I guess, a toolbar. And this toolbar has clickable things all around. I'm gonna start with the year page. So this is the yearly page. You can click here and it's gonna take you there. And you have all of your months for the year with a little space for notes. The next page, it's already a monthly page. So you can click on any of these and it's gonna take you to that corresponding month. So I can click on May, for example, and it's gonna take me to the May monthly page. Every monthly page has this layout. You have all of your dates, and then the weeks, you can click on them as well. You have a monthly focus, a top 3, and a to-do. Here at the top, there's a few icons that you can click as well. They appear in every month. So as you can see, I'm in September now, November. They're here for every month. Each month has their own set. So these are the trackers for the planner, monthly trackers. So for example, right now I'm in November. I can click on the smiley face, which would be the wellness tracker. And here you have a mood tracker for every day of the month, a sleep tracker as well for every day of the month. In this page, you also have a monthly gratitude. These icons right here, it says week 1, week 2. You can click on them and it's going to take you to the corresponding week. The next tracker page would be this one right here, which is the fitness tracker. And here you have a space for fitness goals, a workout tracker again for every day of the month, and then body measurements. And finally, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So the meal plan where you can keep track of or plan out your meals for the month. And then next to it, it says groceries. Here you can click as well. And it's going to take you to the monthly grocery list. So here you have a space to fill out your groceries according to your meals. And they're right next to each other. Okay, so the last tracker, it's this one, the financial tracker. So here there's a space for financial goals, expenses, to write down the date, description, and amount, and then finally the total amount that you spent. There's also the week 1, week 2, so you can easily go to that weekly page, and then the monthly bills, so you can keep track of your bills throughout the month, and then finally the income, and then the total amount that you made, plus the savings. So those are the trackers. They, as I mentioned, appear in every month. Okay, so let's take a look at some weekly pages now. So I'm gonna click on week 1 right here. This is the layout for the weekly page. Here we have the days horizontally. So there's a sort of like checklist. So you can write down your to-dos for the day and then some notes. That's like that for every day. And there's also a weekly habits tracker for every week. And this is the only tracker that's not monthly. And you have it in every single week. So this is week 2, week 3, 4, and 5 for July. There's also the water tracker, of course. All right, so that's what the planner looks like. And then the planner also has a notes section, which is right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So I'm gonna click on the first one, the red. Now we can see that we are in the red section. And you have some other icons right here that you can click as well. So I can click on this one and it's gonna bring me to the line page. I can click on this one and it's gonna bring me to the grid. And then finally the dot grid, I can go back and go to the blank page. And it's the same for every section. You have them right there. Okay, so the last thing that I have to show is how to close the planner. So you just click here and it brings you to the home page. So it's, as you can see, a pretty straightforward planner. You have your yearly page, your year at a glance, your monthly pages with clickable weeks, and then there's also the monthly trackers that you can fill out throughout the months for wellness, fitness, and financial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this planner. I certainly did enjoy making it. So there's another 2 planners for 2021 that I'm posting on the shop. This one is also already up, so you can go and check it out. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you on the next one.